Welcome back to the video. If you found out that your ATM card has been lost or has been stolen, it is now your responsibility to make sure you block the card in order to protect your money. And for that, there is an important code you need to dial on your register line. That is the number or the line you use to open the account and the number you use to collect the ATM card. You have to make sure you dial the setting code on that particular line in order to block that ATM card. Once you block the ATM card, nobody will have access to the card and your money will be protected. So let me quickly show you the card right here. So I'm going to head over to my Gmail right here. This mail here is from UBA, just like what you see right here. It is an official mail from UBA. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then I will just zoom. So right here, you can see if your card is compromised or you want to freeze your account for free, dial this particular code right here. So dial this particular code right here, *919 *911#, immediately from your registered phone number. Blocking your card attracts a service fee of just 5 naira. So it's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.